Today we are making a homemade chicken soup. Got that fresh garlic and them vegetables, what y'all know about that. Share this video out. If it's cold outside where you're at, get them blankets. This is the right place to be.
This is how I make my chicken soup. I'll leave the recipe down below in the description box. Make sure you leave me a comment.
Hit that subscribe button.
And if you have not subscribed,
hey, what's up? It's your boy Finest Wine. I don't have much time today. I'm gonna make some chicken soup. All right, these are all the ingredients that you'll need. I have some chicken legs here. I have my onion that has been already chopped up. Look, because I told you I don't have a whole lot of time. I'll whip this stuff up real quick. We have here our garlic and celery. It's already been chopped. We have some chicken seasoning right there. That is some red pepper, just in case you want that kick. You know, I have a little lemon pepper, some chicken broth, black pepper. We have some carrots. I'm gonna dice those up. This is our, our noodles for our soup, and garlic powder and bay leaves. This is our noodles for our soup right there. You can get the egg yolk noodle pasta, and we about to make it happen. First thing we're gonna do is season up our chicken and chop up our carrots, all right? You're gonna take your black pepper, make sure you get each piece. I will use a little salt, not too much. We have seasoning salt I'm gonna add to it. What's going on with everybody? You know, how's your week been going? I know it's just the beginning of the week, but how's it going so far? I hope well. There's so much happening in the world. I hope you guys were able to check out our interview with the legendary Frida Payne. We had a good time. I thank you guys for supporting that. We're gonna add a little salt, and then we're gonna start frying up our chicken. We're gonna sear it and then put it in our soup. Actually, you know what? We don't have all that time. We're gonna just throw this all in the pot together and let them aromas just hit you, knock you in the face. We're gonna throw all this. We're gonna just, I don't have that kind of time. So look, we're just gonna throw all this in the pot. Onions, chicken, carrots, garlic, celery, and come up with a masterpiece. Stay tuned. I said we don't have a whole lot of time. We add the chicken to the pot. That is a little chicken broth that we have on top. You can see those red crushed peppers. We're gonna add our garlic and celery. We don't have a whole lot of time. We're gonna start adding the chicken broth. Don't add it directly on your chicken. You don't want your seasoning to wash off. You don't want your seasoning to wash it off. So let's see. Turn your pot on a medium-high heat. We have some chicken seasoning I'm gonna add. You wanna make sure you got a lot of flavor going on in here. Chicken seasoning. And what that's gonna do is just come to a boil. You're gonna cook that real good. Cook it until the meat is so tender where it's coming off the bone. I'm gonna add the carrots and then the pasta. Not forget to add our onions in there too. We don't have a whole lot of time. This is one of those quick meals. But this is a winter, I would say this is a winter meal for the winter. When it get good and cold outside. It's getting chilly outside over here, so it's very necessary. That is like 2 whole cloves of garlic actually, along with onion.
I just want to be an inspiration to someone today. If we have goals set here on YouTube, outside of YouTube, we can accomplish those things. You know, the sky is the limit. And God said we could do anything if we just put our trust in Him and have faith in Him. So don't allow anything to stop you from reaching your goals.
We're gonna add them now because it takes a while to get those tender. Go ahead and add your carrots now. I can smell the aromas already. All that garlic and the onion.
Go ahead and add your carrots now because they're hard and we don't want that. So as soon as we start the cooking process, we want them nice and tender. And once everything is done, they'll be ready as well.
This shit gonna get rid of it right away. As the soup is still boiling, we're still cooking our chicken, but that is fresh parsley. We put our carrots in there. We have the onion and the celery. As you can see, we have some couple bay leaves in there. We have like 2 big cloves of garlic. So it's doing what it's supposed to. We're gonna boil this until that meat come off the bone. We're gonna add our egg noodles. Add your egg noodles. If you want to add some cream of chicken, you can do that. It's totally fine. I'm not going to add no cream of chicken because I want to keep my broth, because I want to be able to, slurp on it and stuff. It's good for the winter time and for colds and flus and stuff. I don't have that, thank God, but it's just good to have. You know what I'm saying? I love broth. So you guys can see all that goodness we got on in there. Normally when I cook this type of soup, I sear the meat first because that locks in the flavor, but this is gonna be full of flavor too, so don't even worry, don't even trip. Allow this to boil about another hour, and we'll add our egg noodles. Now that we have our bones taken out of the soup, we are gonna add our egg noodles. This is the chicken. We put it separated so you can see all that flavor. Make sure you get those corners too. That's flavor, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to lose that flavor. And I added a little bit more broth. Then we'll just sit our egg noodles on top. I like my stuff brothy, so I'm gonna add just a little bit more broth, maybe a little bit more seasoning, and then cover it with a top, and then it'll be ready. We'll come back. This is how I make my chicken soup. I'll leave the recipe down below in the description box. Make sure you leave me a comment. And if you have not subscribed, I hope the Spirit leads you to do so. This is Finest Wine Cooking Channel. Well, you're gonna get all these delicious recipes. Alright? Much love to everybody. Much, much love. And I mean that. And spread the love. Spread the positivity.
each other got at the end of the day. Alright, y'all. Be good.
I say this to you, and I pray that it goes into your future. No weapon formed against me, and you shall prosper. No, no, it won't work. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. No, 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 no. It won't work. This is what I want you to remember. But God will do everything that He said He would promise you. He's got to stand by His word. He will come through for God will do just what He said. I know He's gonna do it. He's gotta stand by His word. Yeah. He will come through. I couldn't sing like this before, but God will do just what He said He will do. He's gotta stand by His word concerning you. So no weapon formed against you shall prosper. Oh my Lord, it won't work. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. Oh no, it won't work, because God is able to do just what He said He promised you. I need you to know He's gonna fulfill every promise He made to you. So don't give up on God. God, He will never, 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 never give up on you. Oh, don't give up on God, 'cause He will never, 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 never give up on you. 'Cause I know He is. He's able. I know that He is. He's able. He's gonna exceed your expectation. He's able. He's gonna blow your mind. Oh, He is. He's able. I love you, and I need you.
What's up, everybody? I am Fine as Wine.